Hi everybody, Logan Junior Chef here, and you know that I love my knives. But, in order to use a knife, you have to have a cutting board. And I usually don't get sent very many cutting boards. So, today I have a special cutting board, and this is a Slice and Fun Pro Edition, and this is made just for little kids so they can cut easier. And so that you can be more safe and really kind of have a good time in the kitchen. Now, what it does is it has these two little clamps here, and these clamp down on the food so that you don't need your other hand in and around the food in order to cut it. So you can take that right off. You can put that there as like, ooh, garnish or something. And so you can do it without worrying about cutting your other hand, which is pretty neat. And very good for little kids who, want to cut but don't want to have the fingers and be like, and ketchup everywhere, So yeah, now the Pro Edition has like these little silicone feet. It's got this little tray where you can put your prepped ingredients, and it's really good, really cool. And it also has a removable cutting board, so you can flip this over. And it also comes with a wood one, which, it's pretty neat that you can just slide in a new cutting board without having to really go through a lot. And you can also flip it very easy, which kind of makes it good if you're switching from like a garlic or an oily vegetable where you have a flavor on it. You can just flip it, boom, or switch it out. And yeah, now they also have, I'm going to try a slightly larger vegetable here, see how it works on the potato. Okay. So, now they also have this little crinkle cutter, which surprisingly works. Boom. You can see you have something kind of similar to like a little bit of a crinkle cut homemade French fry. Which should be really tasty and should really get your kids excited because now they can make something that looks familiar. You make little pickle chips out of cucumber. You do a lot of fun with this. It works pretty well. Boom. Oh, there you go. Kind of reminds you of Chick-fil-A, right? Anyway, that's about it. Really great for the kids, You could just cut away without having to worry about cutting yourself or your fingers or anything, because you only have one hand on the board. And this is really great for kids who are a little bit more challenged, maybe don't quite have the motor skills all the way down, but still want to have a lot of fun in the kitchen and want to use sharp blades. So that's about it. I hope you enjoyed, and it's pretty neat. And a portion of this goes to the every sale goes to the Autism Research Foundation, and so you support a good cause with this. And that's about it. I'll catch you guys on the flip side. Bye.